wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 8 best business card cutters. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8. If you're watching your pennies but still want materials that seem professionally produced, you might give this Sunstar Kadomaru Pro a try. It cuts corners but in a good way, giving a finished look and final polish to your business paper products. It works consistently and evenly and offers 3 preset sizes. However, it's not for thick laminated pieces. At number 7, although the cricut Explore Air 2 isn't a standard unit, it is highly versatile, giving you the option to let your imagination run wild. Just note, however, that you may need to invest in an ongoing subscription to the company's design suite to get the best use from it. It comes in several colors and is compatible with many materials, but it's not exactly intuitive. Coming in at number 6 on our list. This Yale tabletop is not for everyone, but if you have the budget, it'll allow you to create precise, high-quality finished products, including occasion cards and tent-style pieces. Its continuous feeding is a big help as well. Its tray holds 50 sheets, and this is of the 12-up variety. However, it is pretty hefty at over 40 pounds. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for business card cutters, or simply click beneath this video. At number 5, for an electric model, the Topchances Automatic isn't terribly expensive, perhaps because of its uncomplicated design. Made for A4 paper and running on 220 volts, it's ideal for European offices, since anyone using it in the US will probably need a converter. It includes an automatic document feeder and produces smooth edges. It's relatively fast too. Halfway up our list at number 4. The cardmate manual has plenty to recommend it, from its accessible functionality to its fairly light and compact size that doesn't require tons of room. It does work best on only one sheet at a time though, which means it may not be great for large jobs. The crank feels smooth and it's acceptable for a home office. However, alignment can be tricky. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Sometimes the old-fashioned way is your friend, making this swingline guillotine a solid option for those who want a simple way to slice without all the newfangled features. And because it's less expensive than most, you'll save a few bucks too. The blade locks for storage, and it's equipped with a metric and imperial ruler. It's good for up to 15 sheets at once. At number 2, a 110-volt model, the business card-making electric has a lifespan of over 100,000 uses and a speed of 30 pieces per minute. You'll be ready to hit the ground running, as it also comes with a corner rounder that's got 3 bonus blades. This one's fine for small print shops and offers accuracy and precision. It's a good price for the bundle. And coming in at number 1 on our list. The Yale High Capacity uses a 2-pass operation to give you finished 2-inch by 3.5-inch pieces without any unnecessary hassles. In fact, its blades are moderately self-sharpening for years of use and don't require tons of ongoing maintenance. This one manages up to 375 cards per minute and features adjustable paper guides. It's durable and built to last. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for business card cutters, or simply click beneath this video.